Hey, what's up guys? OnePlus is launching the OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro in India on September 26 alongside the OnePlus TV. There are a number of leaks showing the specification and images of OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro, but it's now time for a full spec reveal as new information about the OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro have been leaked by the leaker OnLeaks via Compare Raja. As per the leak, the OnePlus 70 Pro features a 6.65-inch fluid AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with a refresh rate of 90Hz. The phone will be powered by a 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with Adreno 640, 8GB of RAM and huge 256GB of internal storage. The OnePlus 70 Pro will feature a triple rear camera setup at the back comprising of 48MP primary camera with an aperture of 1.6 and an 8MP of telephoto lens with a 3x zoom with an aperture of f2.4 and an 16MP ultra wide angle camera with 120° field of view and an aperture of f2.2. The front of the phone will feature a 16MP camera with an aperture of f2.0, and there is an electronic image stabilization for selfies as well. The OnePlus 70 Pro will be backed by an 4085 mAh of battery with a warp charge 30T fast charging support and will run an Oxygen OS based on Android 10. Whereas the OnePlus 70 will feature a slightly smaller 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate. The device will get its power from a 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset like its Pro sibling. In terms of camera, OnePlus has only changed a minute detail in the triple camera setup that was present on OnePlus 70 Pro. The regular OnePlus 70 will feature the 48MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.6, a 16MP ultra-wide camera with 120° field of view with an aperture of f2.2 instead of 8MP camera that was on OnePlus 70 Pro. In OnePlus 70, there is a 12MP telephoto lens with 2x zoom and with an aperture of f2.2. There is the same 16MP camera with an aperture of f2.0, which is a selfie camera, comes with electronic image stabilization. The OnePlus 70 packs a 3800 mAh of battery with a warp charging 30T fast charging support. It will run Oxygen OS based on Android 10 and will feature an optical in-display fingerprint sensor on the front for the authentication. The prices is around 37,000 for the OnePlus 70 and 56,000 to 59,000 for the OnePlus 70 Pro. So these are the prices leaked online, but they may change when the phone will be launched. So let us wait till September 26 to see the actual prices and specs of OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.